on, Reese? Why is he chewing on it?
Yeah, gum hurt.
Oh, because his gums hurt?
Yeah.
Why do his gums hurt? Do you know why?
Why?
Here, Mama, I put that.
Oh, he's crying?
Put that here,
Oh.
Reese, on your plate.
Thank you, Papa. Oh, is he feeling better now? Thank you, Reese. Can you show Titi how you eat your lunch? With a
No,
spoon?
show Titi. Titi, look
Watch
how he's eating.
Watch how he's eating. Wow, good job.
That's really good.
That's a good bite.
Here's one.
Wow,
Eat over
good
the bowl.
job, kiddo.
Good boy. That's gonna go and get that.
Here he is. Where are you going, Reese? Baby dropped the toy.
Good boy, Reese.
You're so lucky to have such a good big brother, Graham. Thank you, Reese.
It's all wet?
You know what? Oh no. Thanks for helping, Reese. You're my good little helper. Is that silly?
Reese, you're such a good big brother. You're such a good big brother.
Are you a good big brother?